Have you ever once looked at the sun in your life? Well, I'm pretty sure most people already have. But have you ever once looked at the sun and suddenly felt an uncontrollable urge to sneeze? Or you actually sneezed? Turns out, this is actually a medical condition called sun sneeze. Or to be more technical, the photic sneeze reflex. Or to be even more technical about it, the autosomal dominant compelling heliophthalmic outburst or achoo syndrome. Very clever. Sun sneeze is in fact an autosomal dominant feature, meaning it is inherited and congenital or you have it at birth. It affects 18 to 35% of the world's population. Interestingly, the exact cause remains a mystery. Although one of the leading hypotheses is optic trigeminal summation or cross stimulation between the ophthalmic branch of the trigeminal nerve and the maxillary branch of the trigeminal nerve. That simply means that there is stimulation of the nerve, which receives and transmits light input, and this stimulation in turn triggers the adjacent nerve that transmits the sensation for sneezing.